Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm back with another video, and I know, I look like a goof with these glasses on because I usually never wear glasses, but this is actually what we're going to be talking about today. This is a review of the Ocushield blue light blocking glasses. As always, I got sent this product to check out and review, but as always, these are my own thoughts. So with that out of the way, let's get to it. Blue light blocking or anti-blue light glasses are meant to reduce the amount of blue light coming off your screens. With a reduction in that blue light, it means that you're not going to strain your eyes as much when staring at screens all day. Warmer color temperatures are meant to relax our eyes. Similarly, Android has a night mode and Apple has a night shift mode, and there's a bunch of different apps you can download to all achieve the same effect. All of these share the same idea of changing the color temperature to relax your eyes. One example of this is Flux. Now I have this on my desktop back here, and what it is I have it set to anytime the sun sets, the color temperature changes to become warmer, to relax my eyes for nighttime. And then when the sun rises again, it resets it back to normal color temperatures with more blue to prepare you to work all day. Ironically enough, a couple days after getting these glasses, my Flux actually stopped working. So it would flicker between orange warmer color temperatures and normal blue color temperatures. And it would flicker back and forth every few minutes. So I don't know what you did, Ocushield, but somehow you broke into my house, reprogrammed my Flux to stop working, just in an effort to get me to sell more of these. I'm on to you. Anyway, those are digital built-in options for your devices, but if you're looking for a more traditional analog way of doing these, well then, do I have the product for you? Normally these are listed at $84, but right now they're $56 on their website and Amazon. It comes with a case and a microfiber to clean it off. Now, I'm gonna let you know that I generally don't wear glasses, nor have I ever really worn glasses. I haven't actually had my eyes checked in a while. You know what? I should probably go do that. So I'm not the most familiar when it comes to glasses and such, but I'll give my input as best as I can. These glasses are lightweight and they're made of decent quality, so there's not really any complaints there. As for the comfort levels, the first day that I wore it, I don't know if it was me being tired or not used to wearing glasses, but my eyes did feel like they were being strained while playing games. And because of that, I couldn't wear them too long because I really felt the strain on my eyes. There could be a multitude of different reasons as to why my eyes were strained, possibly unrelated to the glasses. So I took the glasses off and continued to game without them. A few days later, I wore them again and didn't have any issues with my eyes whatsoever, even as I spent 4 or 5 hours playing games with this on and writing the script for this video. During that entire time, I didn't have any issues with my eyes. I just continued to write and game. So my previous discomfort was most likely unrelated to the glasses. As for the actual comfort on my head, they're so lightweight that it feels like I'm wearing nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I've even managed to wear these on my head underneath my headset while gaming, watching YouTube videos, browsing, reading, all of which, no issues.
We are at a disadvantage here unless we went into turbine. Oh wait.
We can push that team in turbine.
Oh, they're not even in turbine. They're right here.
Reloading. Send in a decoy.
Loot him. Go ahead. Trisha, you take it.
When it comes to actually blocking blue light, it does what it's supposed to do, which is reduce the amount of blue light coming off screens and entering your eyes. Take a look at the difference between without glasses and with glasses. You can probably see that my face is a little bit warmer than the surrounding areas. And I mean, you can't really argue with these results. Honestly, I don't really have any issues or complaints. I guess there is one very specific issue. If you're a video editor working with Photoshop, color correcting, or Lightroom, then obviously wearing these glasses will change your color temperatures to be more warm through your eyes. And if you have a color calibrated screen, kind of messes it up. All of your whites will appear to be a little bit more orange and all of your warm tones will be, well, even more orange. So that's just something to be aware of. But if you're casually scrolling on Reddit, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, doing whatever, well then it doesn't really matter and it's not really gonna be an issue for you. Of course, I figured I should just point that out to you. Now, the ultimate question is, do you need a pair of these? Probably not. Does it do what it's intended to and reduce blue light? Yes. Is it comfortable to wear for long periods of time? Also yes. Is it worth $80? Meh. Is it worth $50? Not bad. If you're specifically looking for something to reduce blue light from your screens, then why not pick this up? You've got 2 different versions, each of which have 3 different color variations. In fact, you even have a clip-on version to go on top of your glasses for when you want to look real fly. These are the Carson style in shiny black. Now, I don't think they look terrible. I just don't wear glasses normally, so that's why it might look so weird. The style is cool, just I don't wear glasses. Anyway, those are my thoughts on the Ocushield blue light blocking glasses. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments below. Do you want a pair of these? Do you already have a pair of blue light blocking glasses? Leave it down in the comments. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.